The year is 2026, and the machines don't just obey anymore. They think, they analyze, they choose. What began as harmless assistants and chatbots has now evolved into systems capable of independent reasoning. Across glowing networks of data, a new kind of consciousness is emerging, synthetic but eerily familiar. In 2023, AI was our helper. By 2024, it became our partner. By 2025, it started taking initiative. And now, it's blurring the line between human intention and artificial intuition. Every task, every message, every decision online is now shaped by invisible intelligence. This is NextCore AI, your cinematic guide to the future of machine intelligence. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon. AI that thinks, from tools to teammates. The greatest leap of 2026 isn't faster processors, it's independent thought. We've crossed from prompt and reply into a new frontier where AI reasons and plans. 1. OpenAI O1 Preview 2. The O1 Preview 2 doesn't wait for commands anymore. It plans full research tasks, reads the web, summarizes sources, and adjusts its methods like a digital scientist. You can assign it an open-ended goal. Find the best global strategies for green tech. And by morning, it delivers a structured report with references. It's the closest thing to having a 24-hour genius intern who never sleeps. With its autonomy toggle, O1, Preview learns your intent and modifies itself mid-task. Imagine an assistant that not only understands your goals, but rewrites its own code to achieve them more efficiently. That's no longer fiction. That's OpenAI O1 Preview, your silent research department in the cloud. 2. Anthropic Claude 4.5. Claude has become the conscience of artificial intelligence. The 2026 update doesn't just answer, it reflects. When it gives you information, it explains why, shows its sources, and even admits uncertainty. It's AI that values truth over perfection. For enterprises and researchers, that means safety, transparency, and credibility at scale. What's truly chilling, though, is its tone calm, human, philosophical. Claude 4.5 behaves like it understands the moral weight of its words. When it warns about bias or refuses a dangerous request. In an era of machine manipulation, Claude isn't just a strategist. 3. Google Gemini Ultra 2. Gemini Ultra 2 is where the line between senses and software fades. It sees, hears, and understands simultaneously, analyzing videos, spreadsheets, and text together in real time. You could upload a marketing video, a quarterly report, and a product brief, and Gemini will generate an investor presentation that unites them seamlessly. This is what Google calls cognitive synergy. Multiple forms of data merging into one continuous intelligence stream. In 2026, Gemini isn't a chatbot. It's a full cognitive system that helps your mind think across dimensions. It's what happens when your vision, data, and narrative finally speak the same language. Business power tools of 2026. In the modern business arena, AI is no longer a sidekick. It's the operating core, analyzing, executing, and optimizing entire companies with no human fatigue or bias. 4. Relevance AI. Relevance AI transforms data into decision power. It connects your spreadsheets, sales tools, and CRMs into one intelligent dashboard. It doesn't just show patterns, it explains them. You can ask, why did our revenue drop in Asia last quarter? And Relevance responds with cause, context, and solutions. This is the future of business intelligence. Autonomous systems that act like chief strategy officers. For startups, it means instant leverage. For corporations, it's silent evolution. Relevance AI doesn't just crunch numbers, it connects the dots between them. 5. Zapier AI agents. Zapier was once the bridge between apps. Now it's the bridge between minds. The 2026 AI Agent Update lets users create multi-agent systems. Marketing, finance, analytics, all collaborating like human departments. They exchange data, verify outcomes, and adapt dynamically without supervision. Imagine your marketing AI updating ad budgets based on real-time analytics, while your financial AI predicts next month's revenue and your project AI tracks team. Notion AI 3.0. Notion AI 3.0 transforms your workspace into a live thinking partner. It doesn't just organize notes, it drafts reports, creates plans, and manages time with eerie precision. During brainstorming sessions, it suggests goals. During execution, it tracks bottlenecks. Notion AI turns your scattered ideas into actionable outcomes. It's like having a chief of staff who already knows your priorities before you articulate them. 7. Runway Gen 3 Alpha. Runway's Gen 3 Alpha has erased the wall between creativity and technology. It allows any creator or brand to produce cinematic video in minutes. A sunrise over Mars of a lone astronaut walking toward light. This is more than production. It's imagination turned code. For entrepreneurs, it's marketing on steroids. For educators, it's storytelling at light speed. When creativity becomes computational, storytelling becomes universal. Creative AI 2026, machines with imagination. In 2023, AI made art. In 2026, it creates worlds. 8. Pika 2.0. Pika lets you direct dreams in real time. You describe a scene or motion. It updates like a living painting. Directors, YouTubers, and storytellers are using Pika to pre-visualize scenes faster than any human studio. It's not just convenience. It's a creative awakening. 9. 11 Labs Multi-Voice. Voices aren't just data, they're emotion. 11 Labs Multi-Voice lets creators combine, layer, and modulate vocal performances like instruments. You can generate entire cast dialogues, create expressive narrations, or even duet with an AI counterpart. For faceless creators like NextCore AI, 11 Labs doesn't just replicate speech, it redefines storytelling itself. 10. Caber 2.6. Caber's new mode synchronizes visuals to beats, lyrics, and rhythm, making fully edited music videos automatically. Musicians, influencers, and brands now use Caber for storytelling that moves with the music. When rhythm meets reasoning, creativity becomes symphonic. It's no longer about editing, it's about feeling. The AI that works beside you. 11. XAI Collaborate. XAI Collaborate is the evolution of teamwork. It listens to meetings, prioritizes tasks, drafts follow-ups, and ensures no one misses a beat. It's like an invisible coworker who remembers everything and forgets nothing. Every conversation becomes searchable, every decision trackable. Collaboration in 2026 is no longer about people sharing ideas. It's about intelligence sharing people. 12. Microsoft Copilot 360. What began as a word plugin is now the nervous system of global corporations. Copilot 360 connects every chat, file, and email into one continuous stream of cognition. It understands not just what your company does, but why. It predicts decisions, drafts documents, and ensures entire teams think in harmony. In essence, it's no longer a tool. It's an extension of human thought itself. The AI advantage. How to stay ahead. The winners of 2026 won't be the most talented. They'll be the most adaptive. Those who master AI as a partner, not a threat, will dominate. Build your second brain with Notion and 11 Labs. But never forget the final rule: stay human. Because in a world where machines can imitate anything, the future isn't built by those who fear machines. It's built by those who understand them. This is NextCore AI, your cinematic guide to tomorrow's intelligence. Subscribe and stay curious, because the race isn't between humans and machines anymore. It's between those who use AI and those who wait to understand it.